Hi, two new additions to my collection, and we are going to be doing a quick unboxing and first impression of the two. And the first one is Hugo Boss Bottled Intense. The second one is going to be Prada L'Homme Intense. So quickly, let's do the unboxing, okay? This is how the bottle looks like. At the front, there is Hugo Boss Bottled Intense and the ml. At the bottom, there is a batch number. You can see it right there. The sides, there is nothing. And then at the back, they are written the ingredients: top notes, middle notes, and base notes. Then hugoboss.com, then ingredients and the volume, copyright, and all that. At the top, there is Boss, Hugo Boss. Yeah, so that's the presentation. Let's open and see. Okay, this is the bottle. Alright, I'm not really blown away, but I like it. Yeah, but I'll keep the testing and then we shall see how it goes. Yeah, that's been Hugo Boss Bottled Intense. Okay, next in the line is Prada L'Homme Intense. Let's first remove the covering. At the front there is those words, L'Homme Prada Intense, the concentration, and then the milliliters. At the bottom, the ingredients written on there, the batch number, and all that. And then at the back, there is also L'Homme Prada, but it's engraved on the box. Okay, and in the sides it's the same, L'Homme Prada engraved on the box. Yeah, so basically that's the presentation. It's black and silver. Okay, let's open and see. It's quite a huge box. And then there we go, Prada. Okay, so it's this black bottle. Black, and then there was this finish that's rough. Here in the front, at the front, it's still labeled Prada Milano, and then at the back there is still also an engravement of Prada Milano. The cup, it fits, just fits, it's not magnetic. Okay, clicks on. Right, okay, let's do the testing and see. Let's test the sprayer. Spreads quite well. Okay, yes, this is clean, it's soapy, it is so safe. This is a typical office fragrance. Typical office fragrance.